Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for something hearty and kind of healthy. Why don't you make that pot roast we like?
All right, let's make our chaos pot roast. The weather is kind of cooling down depending on where you live, and it's all relative. So this is maybe less of a summer, more of a kind of fall winter recipe, but I kind of had a craving. So that's what I'm gonna make, is a chaos beef stew or pot roast. I'm sure you've all heard of the Mississippi pot roast. We'll probably make it. It's good. I think this one's actually better, but hey, you be the judge. Without further ado, some chaos pot roast. Let's go. All right, so we start off with about a 2.5 pound chuck roast. We're gonna start off by giving this guy just a little bit of oil. We got a little oxidation. This thing looked prettier when I bought it. There you go. Anyways, so a little bit of oil, and then we're just gonna give it a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic. Then to a super hot pan, we're gonna go ahead and put this guy in. And we're just looking for a sear, so maybe like a minute on each side, and we'll probably get the outer sides as well. Once we got a nice sear on both sides, kill the heat, and we drop this guy right into our crock pot. And I do a little bit of maneuvering here. Okay, we got this set on low, so we're not done yet, but for now I'm just gonna put the lid on. So for our veggies, we have a few carrots. You could just use baby carrots if you wanted to. I just kind of like whole carrots. So I'm just gonna peel these guys real quick. And then we chop them up, just kind of, I don't know, think sort of bite-sized pieces. And we'll just throw these into a bowl. And then the same thing with our celery. And then to this, we're gonna add some multicolored little baby potatoes. I'm gonna take some of these bigger ones and slice them in half. And we have some baby golds too, I'll just throw in here, even though I think half of these already were that. Just picking out the little guys. And there's our veggies. So now back to our crock pot. We got our guy in there. We're gonna add 1 packet of onion soup powder mix and 1 packet of brown gravy mix. Then we're gonna dump all of our veggies in here. Just kind of mix them up a little bit. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and then water, just to make sure, and that's about enough. We don't want too much, but you want enough because it's a slow cooker, so we don't want it to burn. At this point, we're already on low. I'm just gonna put the lid on, come back. We're gonna cook this for 8 to 10 hours, but I'll come back in a few hours once things are starting to cook, and we'll taste it and see if it needs any other seasonings. But right now, we just set it and forget it. Sprinkle a little parsley on here for some greens. And there we have chaos beef stew. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's beefy, it's tender, it's rich, it's savory, just really good overall flavor. Definitely something, probably like I said, more appropriate for like colder seasons. But like I said, I had a craving, so I wanted to show you guys how to make this. It's super duper easy. A few minutes of prep in the morning or whatever, throw it in there. 8 hours later, it's ready to serve. Not a whole lot to it. Super easy, super delicious. And I mean, you could take out the potatoes, I guess, but it's basically just meat and veggies. So not super unhealthy either. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, look, we got some of this little beef stew pot roast chaos style for you. Here you go. What do you think, bud?
Beef makes me happy.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Don't count your chickens before they hatch, because there might be beef to eat instead.
All right, Nash approves, I approve. Look, it's a great dish, super easy, super flavorful. You can definitely feed a family, feed a bunch of people with this. Have a bunch of leftovers, do whatever you want. You can eat it as is, put it over rice, mashed potatoes, whatever. Anyways, super good. Definitely try this one out. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys for all your support. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it would help us out, it'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that in the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. Just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.